What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Mr. Budget's checking in, and yes, I am back. I am back like I never left. Well, I know it's been a while. But in today's video, I'm going to tell you why I left, why I'm coming back. Guess I'm going to tell you everything that's, coming down the pipeline, everything that I'm thinking about recording. I'm just back on my YouTube job. I know I have a Christmas break coming up. So yeah, I'm back. I hope you missed me. I missed you guys. I miss updating you guys and telling you everything that's been going on in life. So that's why I'm back today. I'm back. All right, so the school year started, and I planned on taking you throughout the whole school year, and especially with my school, getting my master's degree and everything. And I planned on keeping you updated step by step as it happened live. But I don't know, I guess everything just got too hectic with school and coaching, and I don't know, it was a lot with, just having to actually record and sit and talk. And then I thought about actually doing the vlog, but then I had to interact with other people, and then having the camera up in other people's faces didn't really sit too well. Well, I didn't even try, but I would feel awkward, putting other people, I don't know. Maybe I could try it, maybe not, but I just felt awkward about that, so I didn't do that. And then, just I guess it was just a timing thing, between, teaching and getting ready for that, or getting ready for my, putting together lessons for the next day, and just being mentally prepared for that, and, doing homework and keeping up with, assignments. It's a lot of papers and PowerPoints and readings that I'm supposed to do. Yeah, it just seemed like whenever I had free time, I would just rather just take a breath, catch a game on TV, rather than, okay, now I have to sit down and, think about everything that I'm going to talk about, and then actually talk about it, set up the recording thing, and then go back and edit. Well, I stopped editing pretty much. I don't really think I'm going to edit this video, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's pretty much why I didn't record. I planned on it. I actually planned on doing a lot of things, but I guess that's the blocking stone, or the obstacle that I must overcome is actually, setting up that time to actually record, and just fitting into my schedule. Maybe I should talk to Sheesh, since she's seems very well planned and puts together her schedule. Maybe I need to book a consulting session with her. Hopefully she'll give me a discount. She should. I don't see why she shouldn't give me a discount. But yeah, so I'm back. I plan on actually recording now. I have a little bit of time. Well, I guess now I feel like I have a little bit more time since the semester is pretty much coming down to an end. I have 1 week of school left. Or when I talk about, I see how that could be confusing, whether I have a week of actually, complete my master's degree, or if I'm actually teaching. All right, so I have 1 week of school left teaching. Then our semester will be over. We'll be out for a Christmas break. I believe we have 2 weeks off. I believe we go back January 7th or something like that. But yeah, I'm also finished with my master's. Well, I haven't finished the master's degree, but this semester I'm finished with all of my classes. I took 3 classes this semester, and they all went well. I believe I have an A in all 3 classes. If not, I might have a B in 1 class. Whew. But yeah, I plan on telling you all about that. I plan on telling you how that's going. Let me let you know what's coming up, what I plan on actually recording. And I actually have 2 weeks to actually sit down and actually let you guys know what's going on. And I'm telling you, it's interesting. And over the break, I've matured, and I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to talk about all of that. I'm going to give you guys an update on how my master's degree is going. Oh man, I ran into a big situation with that. Whew, we got to talk about that. Got to talk about my flag football season. Oh my goodness. Yo, all right, so yeah, flag football, that's going to be a big one. Basketball season just popped off. We're what, 6-7 games into the season. We're doing good so far. We had a game last night. We won. I believe the score was 60. Let me see. It was 65 to 30 something. So yeah, basketball. I'll let you guys know what's going on with that. And also I'll be doing stories with the basketball team. All the students seem like they're interested in doing TikTok. So boom, I think I'm open to doing TikToks and all that now. So stay posted on all that. We're definitely going to be talking about Christmas movies. That's one thing that me and Shay do around the holidays. We love to watch Christmas movies. We've been watching new Christmas movies. I'm going to tell you about some great Christmas movies that we've watched. I'm also going to tell you guys about my favorite Christmas movies of all time. So yeah, we're going to talk about that. Me and Shay are going to be doing Christmas activities, so I'm going to be vlogging that. Also, y'all remember I got a guitar? Boom! I'm gonna serenade. I'm gonna serenade. I'm gonna play something. So yeah, I have a lot coming up. I do have time. I got time for that now. Yeah, I'm gonna be talking about some interesting topics. Just some sit down, just some trending topics. Just giving my opinion on things that's happening worldwide. Like, what do you guys think about these? Like, have you guys heard about those drones flying over New Jersey? And so yeah, we're gonna be talking about a whole array of things. So yeah, stay posted. Boom, I'm out.